Hi, welcome back to Medway Model Railway. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. This week I've been working on the new Riverside Canal and starting to come up with a bit of a progress. So I'll just show you what we've been up to. As we go right round to the Riverside first and the canal, I'll show you what that looks like. So we've been a bit busy. We've painted it up inside now, put the canal panels on either side, and I'll put a few ladders on the left hand side here. This is going to be the riverside where they're going to put the areas where the people are going to start moving about, and on the other side it's going to be where the scrapyard is. I'll put the first lot of Aqua Magic in there now just to get bedded in. I'll wait for a couple of days for that to go off, but once you get the first couple of coats in, that'll be quite nice. It'll make a nice base, and then I can start grabbing the sides, getting the depth, and put some more of that in. As you see on the right hand side now and the left hand side, we've been working on this old polystyrene. Like I say, I get all this from work, so I don't have to pay for it. It's great, it's light, and it's easy to work with. So what I've done to put it on both sides, I've glued those in positions. Now all I've got to do is carve those in. Once they're carved in, I'll wear those up and paint them. And then I'm going to put a train track over the top of it. And I'm hoping to do a running session in future thing. This is the Aqua Magic we got. It's a little bit expensive, but like I say, I'm hoping it does the job. It says it takes about a day or so to go off, and then it's supposed to be a nice feeling. But like I say, I'm quite impressed how it's turned up at the moment, so I'm hoping to finish it off soon. But like I say, so much going on. A little bit of change since my last video, so hope you come me on this journey and see me through. Like I say, I'm hoping to do my next video soon, where this will be carved out and with a train track over the top. So see what you think. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.